outfit natin. Punta tayong Aqua. 30 minutes from here. Sa Hillary siya. So, let's go. Hi, Javi. Where are we going?
To aquarium.
Yeah, we're going to aquarium in Hillary's. Yay!
I'm excited!
You're excited? No, wala ko pang hugas. You're excited to see Kuya Daniel? And who else?
Cute baby Margo.
Yeah. You're excited to see the fishes?
Yeah. And I'm not excited to see the sharky.
The sharky.
Because it's too scary.
Oh, nice. Let's go, 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 go.
Go, Big Daddy.
You're so cutie. Let's go. So, dito po kami sa bahay ng friend namin. Pick up lang namin sila. Diyan yung bahay nila. Doon yung bahay nila. And magko-convoy kami. Yay! So, andito na po tayo guys sa Hillary's. Nakatulog na si Javi. 6 minutes away na lang nakatulog pa siya. And yung Hillary's is boat harbor or marina. Maraming mga yacht dito. And nandito yung Aqua. Yung Aqua parang ocean park siya sa Philippines. So, maraming mga isda. And first time pa po namin pumunta dito. So, let's see what we can find. Let's go. Ayun yung Aqua. AQWA. Tapos, pagkatapos nito mamaya, pupunta kaming north. So, tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin dun. Enjoy! Ahoy! Aqua. Mermaids, ahoy. Ayan yung mga marina guys. Maraming yacht na nakapark dito. Ayan. Tapos may paliguan dun mamaya. Madami din kainan dito. And dito yung bata natin natutulog. Hanap lang tayo ng parking. Ayan yung marina. Ayan. Parang ang daming pupunta dun sa Aqua. Holiday kasi today. Holiday ni Dad. Hanggang New Year na to. Yung holiday niya. So, maraming taong gumagala kasi usually shut down ng mga companies sa ganitong oras. Aqua. Wala tayong parking dun. Hanap tayo sa iba. Let's go. Ayan. Dito na tayo guys. Doon tayo nakapark sa medyo malayo. Yung mga friends namin nakahanap siguro ng parking dito. Let's go Aqua. Ayan na si baby. Hello. Hi to my vlog.
Oh, sabi ni
Look at that one that's swimming.
Yes, clownfish.
Picture cam.
What is this? Such a jellyfish. That one's fish.
Giant frog.
See, he's
Wait, mama then.
What? Okay.
You can go inside. Happy.
Wait, on the other side. Yeah. It's like a laser.
Let's go to the game.
Hey! Asaan?
It's okay.
We're gonna teach you to the shark. Come on.
No, I don't want to.
Mama, want to do
I don't want to.
Oh, video ko na kami with the shark.
And they're all
May pictures siguro sila na ayaw.
and they like
Merong ano, yung
and they like
underwater
experience.
ewan ko, parang, hindi naman siguro na lulubog tayo sa galing. Parang,
Ay, sige, papagpapaikot na. Para medyo
I think it's which part of chicken like? The one namin siya, evaluation.
So, naglaro siya dyan sa Bouncy Castle, guys. $8 yung laro. Ando na siya sa loob. Yun lang, guys.
Kaya mo na natin yung chat nila.
no?